Excuse me. I don't do this often, but the moment I saw you, my heart said, that's her. I'm Toby Adelaja.
Nice to meet you, Toby.
Can I join you?
I'd like that.
I've never met anyone who carries peace the way you do.
That's lovely of you to say.
Tell me, what do you dream of?
I just finished my degree in business admin. I want my master's abroad, but scholarships are hard.
Then let me make it easy. By the way, pardon my manners. What's your name?
I'm Grace Peter.
Sure, you're a child of grace. I'd love to stay in touch. Could you share your contact details?
Sure.
Merci beaucoup.
De rien.
Oh, you speak French?
Oui, mais un peu.
Wow, boom.
That's perfect.
Yes, the video that you just watched was created using Grok AI and 100% free SuperGrok AI. Do not doubt, the video was created with 100% SuperGrok and it is free, 100% free. I'm going to show you that. If you enjoyed the video, you can check my second channel to watch the full story. Yes, it is actually a story that I made using SuperGrok. So you can actually watch the full video here if you want to, if you found it interesting. So you can subscribe to my second channel and I'm going to show you how you can still access SuperGrok for free to create your videos, to create your story, and to create your images. If this makes sense to you, sit back, make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and try as much as possible to tell me thank you in the comment section if you found this valuable. Do not forget to share. Okay, so let's get right into the tutorial. I'm gonna be making use of my phone to screen record whatever I'm saying, the tutorial, for you to see live how you can still access SuperGrok for free. Okay, so let's get right in. Okay, so first I'm going to sign up to SuperGrok. So I'm going to I'm going to search for Grok on my phone. So here is Grok. I'm going to click on it. Once you click on Grok, in case this is your first time coming across Grok, because irrespective of the fact that Grok AI has been saturated all across, a lot of people still do not know what is Grok. Yes, a lot of people do not know what is Grok AI. So if this is your first time coming across Grok or hearing about Grok, just go to Play Store or Apple Store and then search for Grok, Grok. Once you search for it, go ahead to install to your phone. Once you install to your phone, okay, so look at what you are going to do next. So next you need to do is for you to, once you click on Grok and it take you to this interface, click on it. Now come down here where you see two dash line, click on this two dash line under Imagine. Once you click on it, it will take you to where you see SuperGrok. Now SuperGrok, you have to go ahead to upgrade, right? So just calm down, we are getting there. Also once you see SuperGrok, just click on that SuperGrok. Once you click on it, you are going to see the SuperGrok Lite, and there is SuperGrok. There is SuperGrok Lite and there is SuperGrok. What you have to do is for you to select the one that you want to go for. So I'm going to select SuperGrok. Once you click on SuperGrok, just wait for it to load. You see under SuperGrok, you are going to see 2 times longer conversations in chat, and you're going to see 1 time AI agent on export mode. You are going to also see try out AI image and video creation. You are going to also see increased limits at regular speed. Okay, so that is the function of SuperGrok. Go ahead to click on it. So once you click on it, it will take you down here to this interface. Now take note of this. There is something I want to say towards the end of this video because it's very important. A lot of you may not know this. Under here, you are going to see longer voice mode, priority access during peak times, early access to new features. Now under that, you are going to see 48,500. If you are from Nigeria, this is the actual amount you need to pay for Grok AI if you are from Nigeria. Okay, and then if you are using dollar is 30, it's just $30 for 1 month. So for you not to pay for that, you click on, you see start 3-day free trial. Just go ahead, do not bother. Check under here, you are going to see renews at 48,500. 500 naira a month. Then cancel anytime under this start 3-day free trial. You are going to see cancel anytime. So do not bother. We are getting there. Now just click on that 3-day free trial. Once you click on that 3-day free trial, you are going to see here SuperGrok Live. So just go ahead to click on continue. Once you click on continue, it will take you down to this interface where you can go ahead to subscribe for it. Once you hit on subscribe, voila, this is you using SuperGrok to create your video for free. At this point, I'm going to be adding my card for me to make the payment, but don't worry, they are not going to debit me. They won't debit you. Do not worry. So just go ahead to add your card. This is the card I'm going to be making use of to subscribe for this. So I'm going to go ahead to add my card details. So once you add your card details and everything is set, just go ahead to click on continue. Once you click on continue, voila, you have been subscribed to SuperGrok. For me to prove to you that this is actually SuperGrok, let's go ahead to create a video. So once you see purchase successful, right? Purchase successful. So start enjoying SuperGrok, and you can see the benefit: unlimited intelligence, maximum creativity, real-time information. Here are the benefits of using SuperGrok. So under this, let me just prove to you that you can actually use this to create videos. So just click on it. I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to generate a video using this. So go back and then come over to imagine. So click on it. Once you click on imagine, I'm going to bring in image that I want to turn into a video. I'm going to use this particular image that I've used before now to make a video on this channel. So I'm going to be making use of this particular image. Then okay, you can see it is under auto generation. Once you import any image, it's going to auto generate, auto turn into a video. So I'm going to come over to type to customize video to paste a prompt. So let me go copy a prompt to generate a video. So I've copied a prompt, and then I'm going to paste. And then here is it. So I'm going to kindly go ahead to create. Once you click on it, it's going to create. You can see that.
Nigeria rescues 100 abducted children from Catholic school. Story by Victoria Eaton, The Unstoppable.
Can you see that? You can actually use Grok AI. In fact, SuperGrok. It's not even Grok Imagine. You can still use SuperGrok to create your videos for free. Yes, and unlimited. Okay, so I'm going to come over to take off this urgent. I feel it's because I added urgent in this tone that makes it to be very fast. So I'm going to remove the urgent and then make it to be just serious, fast paced. Okay, so that it's not going to be very fast. So I'm going to send again. So let's wait to see the final result. Anyways, this is not tutorial. This is not how to create a video tutorial. I want to just show you how you can still use SuperGrok to create your videos. So that is how you can still use SuperGrok to create your video. Now take note of this. I said I'm going to say something important towards the end of this video. Now remember, you are subscribing for 3 days free trial. Now this is what you are going to do. Before the 3 days, make sure that you go ahead to cancel your card. But it is better you use account that there is no money inside. Unlike this card I'm making use of, there is no money there, okay, in the card. So make sure you are using card that there is no money to do it, and it's going to accept because you're actually trying out 3 days free trial. It's going to accept. So make use of card that there is no lajang, yes, money inside. And then to also add to that, you are making use of 3 days free trial. Why can't you utilize the 3 days? Make sure you utilize the 3 days to your own advantage. Make sure you make the most out of it. In fact, in 3 days you can create up to 5 videos. If you are serious, if you are into maybe short videos of maybe 5 minutes, 3 minutes or thereabout, in fact even 10-minute videos, you can create up to 5 videos. And let alone if you're into short videos, maybe you are posting short AI videos on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, you can create as many videos as possible in 3 days. So this is how you can still access SuperGrok for free, unlimited in just for 3 days. I really hope you found this video helpful and I hope it is valuable to you, right? I will also add that if you have the money to subscribe to Grok AI, just go ahead to subscribe to it. Okay, before now I subscribed to Grok AI and that is how I've been using to create my videos on this channel, this my story channel. I subscribe for it and I made sure that I utilize it for that 30 days up to 35 videos. I make sure I utilize it very well. So you can do the same thing. You subscribe for it, you make sure that you create videos that can take you for almost a year. Trust me, you can do it. You create a video that can take you for almost a year. Post it maybe twice a week, 3 times a week, as many as you want to create. So that is that. I really hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to give a thumbs up. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and try as much as possible to comment. In fact, make sure you like this particular video. Liking my video and commenting is a way of triggering algorithm to push videos to wider audience. So please help me push this video. Thank you and see you in my next video. Goodbye. Busy.